How does a Medicaid divorce protect assets for long-term care? Imagine you are married and one spouse needs long-term care. You want to keep your savings safe but also qualify for Medicaid to help cover care costs. How can you do that? That's where a Medicaid divorce comes into play. It's a legal strategy some couples use when one person needs help with daily activities or has health issues. Medicaid is a government program that helps pay for long-term care, but it has strict financial rules. When a couple is married, Medicaid looks at both spouses' assets to decide if they qualify. If their combined assets are too high, the spouse needing care must spend down those assets first. This can leave the healthy spouse with very little money to live on. A Medicaid divorce involves legally ending the marriage so that each spouse's assets are considered separately. After the divorce, the spouse needing care is evaluated based only on their own assets. If their personal assets are low enough, they can qualify for Medicaid. Meanwhile, the healthy spouse can keep more of the couple's assets because they are no longer combined. This process is sometimes called a divorce on paper because the couple may still live together after the legal divorce. The goal is to protect the healthy spouse's financial future while still getting the necessary Medicaid benefits for the spouse who needs care. There are important rules to follow. Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period, which means it reviews any transfers of assets made in the past 5 years. If assets were transferred solely to qualify for Medicaid, penalties could apply. The division of assets must be real and not just done to qualify for benefits. While a Medicaid divorce can protect assets, it's not the only option. Other strategies like irrevocable trusts, Medicaid-compliant annuities, and gifting can also help protect wealth without ending the marriage. It's best to work with an elder law attorney who understands these rules and can guide you through the process. In the end, a Medicaid divorce separates the financial profiles of spouses. This allows the healthy spouse to keep more assets and helps the spouse needing care qualify for Medicaid. Just remember, it requires careful planning to avoid penalties and should be considered alongside other legal options.